Want to use Slack directly on your Windows 11 PC without opening it in a browser? Don't worry, in this video I'll show you how to install the Slack desktop app quickly and easily. So let's get started. First, open the Microsoft Store on your Windows 11 PC or laptop. You can open it from the Start menu or by searching for Microsoft Store in Windows Search. Click on the search bar at the top. Now type Slack and press Enter on your keyboard. From the search results, look for the official Slack app and click on it. On the app page, click the Install or Get button. The Microsoft Store will now begin downloading and installing the Slack desktop app on your computer. Please wait for the installation process to complete. Once installed, click Open to launch Slack. Now sign in to your Slack account. You can log in using your email address, Google account, or your company workspace login link. After signing in, you can start chatting, joining channels, sending files, and communicating with your team directly from your desktop. And that's how you can install the Slack desktop app on a Windows 11 PC or laptop using the Microsoft Store.